Hey, hey, hey. Yeah, 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 yeah. Come on, my little ones. Story time about to go down. Mr. Billy! Come on, everybody. Come on. It is about to go down. Yeah! We the best! Three King Visions. What's going on, everybody? I'm Mr. Billy, creator of Three King Visions, and you know, our whole purpose is to help our young kings and queens to develop the lifelong love of reading. So thank you, Live for Black Kids, for having me featured on Takeover Thursdays. Normally we're doing on Tuesdays, but we got something special planned for y'all. And if you don't know, subscribe to Three King Visions on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram, and it's all about the kids. Let's go ahead and get started. Hold up, everybody. We got a special guest. This is my favorite friend, Wolfie. Everyone say, hi, Wolfie. What's goody? Whoa, are y'all ready for story time? Yay! Welcome to story time. I'm Mr. Billy. Guess what the color of the day is? Blue. Can you say blue? Blue. Good job, everybody. Hold up. Our letter of the day is the letter T. Can you say T? T. My little ones, hold your finger in the air. We're going to make a letter T. We're going to go down and across. Whoop. One more time. Down and across. Whoop. Good job. Our first song of the day is With My Little Hands. My little ones, hold your hands up like this. Here we go. With my little hands, I go clap, clap, clap. With my little feet, I go tap, tap, tap. With my little arms, I wave bye, bye, bye. With my little legs, I kick ha, ha, ha. With my little eyes, I go peek-a-boo. With my little mouth, I go, I love you. Good job. Everyone say, bye, Wolfie. Uh-oh. It is about to go down. This is a turn-up story time. If you haven't witnessed one of my story times before, we got a lot of energy. It's like a gumbo of story time. So let's get it. Our first story of the day is, that's the remix. We're going to start it over. Yeah. Turn up story time. Yeah. Our first story of the day is New Baby Coming, New Baby Here, written by Sheryl Smiley-Oliphant. Whoa. Yeah, it's time to turn up, everybody. You feel the vibes? New baby coming, new baby near. Been looking forward to this all year. Whoa! Hey! Come on! Guess what? New baby coming, new baby near. Mommy and daddy rush with fear. Yeah! Here we go, my little ones. New baby coming, new baby near. Baby came sooner, the baby is here. Yeah. Hold up, y'all. New baby here, new baby Claire. She's a bundle of sweet little dear. Whoa. Everyone say hi, Claire. This is turn up story time, everybody. New baby dear. No baby there! We must make sure she's handled with care. Yeah! Hold up. No baby Claire. No baby here. We share a bond that's rarer than rare. Let's go. Gucci. New baby care. No baby here. Sounds of crying. Feels good air. Whoa! Hold up, new baby there, new baby here. Oh no, she can't have my bear. She can't have have my bear. You can't have my bear. New baby Claire. New baby bear. I love the new baby. And so I will share. Yeah. Hold up, y'all. Guess what? New baby there. New baby here. She pulling my hair. She's pulling my ear. Yeah. Come on, my little ones. New baby there. New baby here. She gets all the attention. It's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair. New baby fair. New baby here. She destroys everything. She ate my bear. Oh no. She ate the bear. What's gonna happen next, y'all? New baby care. New baby here. A home is now filled with blissful cheer. Yeah. Okay, here we go. New baby there. New baby here. Our baby has now turned 1 this year. Yeah. Okay, y'all see that? Guess what's next? New baby Claire. New baby there. Our lives are now complete now that you are here. Yes. Shout out to Gucci. Yeah. D-N. Yeah. We're just getting warmed up. It's turn up story time. If you don't know, I'm Mr. Billy, creator of 3 King Visions. If you don't know, this is story time, another experience like no other. Follow me on 3 King Visions on YouTube, IG. Shout out to Live for Black Kids.